Hey everybody, it's Brett. And I was just looking at the astrology that's going on right now, and I see that the moon is squaring the Neptune Saturn conjunction in the beginning of Aries. And that will be happening over the next 24 hours, 20 hours roughly. And so it's going to be really good to kind of take it easy. And, if you're feeling tension in your body, if you're feeling frustration in your mind, don't really fight things related to spirituality. Have discipline and relax, also physically relax. Take it easy for a while, for the next 20 hours roughly. We're going to have a square. The square is one of the most challenging things between the moon and Neptune and Saturn in the beginning of Aries. And so just, listen to your body. It'll affect some of you more than others. But you see, as long as this extreme event, the Neptune and Saturn event, is going on, anytime the moon opposes it, anytime the moon squares it or conjuncts it, there's a period where it's going to be more challenging for us. And so I'll try and tell you occasionally here, but if you want to know, you can just go to astroseek.com. And you can just click on the top where it says current planets. Most of you probably won't know, though, unless you learn a little bit about astrology. But in any case, I just thought I'd kind of let you know that things, and also you'll see it's possible that things in the world can get more intense during those transits, those events. And this is why it's really good to learn about astrology, because if you keep up on it, if you just look at it for a few minutes every day, and you are decent at astrology, and you know what's going on with long-term events, and you also know what things can trigger that short-term event-wise, then you can see which days, and you notice yourself and how you feel. And you're like, oh, okay, yeah, this, that. So when it's a trine, then that's easy. Trines and sextiles will be more easy than squares and oppositions. And so you can see exactly what's going on with that. And then if you put your birth info in there, and you learn about your chart, and you learn about what things specifically trigger you the most. For me, it's the sun and the moon. The two main players, probably the biggest players for me, is the sun and the moon. And that's because of the positioning of all of the planets when I was born. For other people, it'll be other planets. Those will affect you the most. So anyways, that's all I really wanted to say today. And I hope that you are well. Bye.